Hi, I'm Linda Koopersmith, and this is Closets Etc., the show that brings you creative design and organizational ideas. You may find yourself downsizing from one home to the next, and if so, I've got some really great creative ideas for you. I'm standing in a dining room. You wouldn't know it. What I did is I converted this home's dining room into a family room. What happened was they needed the space for their kids to do their homework and a place to hang out, watch TV. And they simply didn't have enough space in this house. So let me show you where I moved the dining room in just 1 second. Welcome to the living room dining room combination that I told you about. You know, frequently people have a living room that they simply do not use, or perhaps even a dining room. And those rooms are sometimes the biggest real estate in the house and they go untouched. In this situation, when you're downsizing and you want to make more space, why not make it more the living room, the actual place where you do your living? And that's what I did here. In the end of this living room, I added the dining room. So it really became a warm, family-friendly place. As well as this particular homeowner was an avid reader and we just didn't have a place to put bookcases. So what I did is I built in shelving behind the sofa here, and notice the shelving goes from floor to ceiling. I added a little bit of crown molding at the top and some raised paneling on the side to give it some detail, and it really became almost like a library within this room. Over here I did another built-in, and if you notice the lower cabinets have caning on it. That caning allows air to go through and also sound, so that way she has her stereos inside so you can keep the doors closed and still hear the music. Above, shelving for photo albums, more family photos and books. You can really change the look of your built-ins and furniture just by adding really cool hardware like I did right here. This is the caning that I talked about, and inside is the stereo. I hope you've been inspired. See you next time.